the Plum Solo Loop from Apple. You voted, and this was the most requested to make this full review. After unboxing it a few weeks ago, I believe I have a good impression to show you this, so you can see if it works for you or not. Or you're like me and you just like seeing it in action. I'll be showing you matching watch faces, clothing, and anything else you need to know about this. Feel free to add your experience in the comments below. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's get started. It's $49 and is available in all sizes and Apple Watch generations. Knowing there's a matching Plum iPhone 12 case out there is getting more and more tempting. I love matching it up like that. From experience and seeing other tests on YouTube, Apple's liquid silicone rubber is definitely superior. Leave it to Apple to make rubber feel luxurious. Not only does it feel smooth and soft, it's also the stretchiest thing I've ever owned. So anyone can feel confident about putting it on without it breaking. It feels and looks like Apple's sport bands, only stretchy. And it's a lot more of a clean, minimal design. No holes or clasps. But dark colors of the material show any particles easily, like dust or lotion. Putting it on is simpler than ever. Just slide in both ends with a metal part on the inside, then slip it through your hand. That's it. Just as easy to take off too. Plum is a deep and alluring color. It's closer to purple, which Apple hardly does. Like all the other colors this season, it's dull enough to easily match more things than you would vibrant watch bands. I'll show you examples in a bit. Like all of Apple's Solo Loops, it runs one size big. Go one size down from what they recommend on their online sizing tool. Like I got a size 3 instead of their recommended size 4. When finding the right fit, it doesn't really budge, so working out's comfortable for me. But some people I know don't like the feeling of the sweat holding in the inside. It's definitely not a breathable material. Things that get on it are usually easy to wash off, but that lotion or whatever it is, it's hard to clean off. Makes me think it could be natural body oils. It might not look good close up on camera, but I personally don't mind it. Shaped like a sport band, it's as if it's made for activewear. Yet it's just as good for casual wear. Choosing what to match around this color was easy. Navy was my favorite color to match it with because it seemed almost complementary, while adding extra contrast and darkness. For those who like mixing it up, it's great having muted colors this season, because it lets you match it with louder colors. It seems blue from bright to light. And dark matches this. Even the colors in between. Add an unexpected twist to earth tones. Choose a similar color as long as it has something on it, so it's not too flat. Since it's a solid band, it easily goes with patterns. Since so many colors match, you don't have to worry about too many limitations. There are so many watch faces that match as well. Some choices are obvious. Apple has Plum as a color option in most of their faces. Or complement it with colors that give it a pop. I've really been enjoying it with Chronograph Pro and Warm Gray, as well as a lot of other new faces. Earth tones blend well with it. Animated faces always gives Apple Watch more life. And the classics are timeless. In conclusion, I really enjoyed this one. It matched so much that I wore it almost as often as my default neutral colored watch bands. Highly enjoyed wearing it for days, which is unlike me for colored bands. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Next, I'll be posting more on the new Apple M1 computers as well as more Apple Watch content. Thanks for watching.